How to send PDF file in Facebook Messenger. So if you want to send certain file on your Facebook Messenger in PDF format, then this video might help you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So right now I'm at the chat section of Messenger, from where you'll be able to see the conversation with your friends. So the first thing is you need to go to the files, from where you'll be able to see the PDF files on your device. For that, you just can go back and you can open up to my files over here. I'm just gonna search for this application. You can see here it is, and here I have opened up the PDF file which I want to share on Messenger. So if here's the file, then you just have to long press over the file, and at the bottom you can see the share option at the middle section. Just tap over there and you'll be available with the various option. You just have to scroll down and here's the Messenger chats option. Just tap over there and you'll be available with the list of your friends whom you want to send the PDF file. Over here, just tap over the send option over here, and by doing that, the PDF file will be sent to the person directly. That's the thing. So I hope this video was helpful. If you still have some queries, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.